Bruce from Safari. We're in front of an F-250 Lariat. Look at this beautiful Tommy camper here. And we're going to talk to Alan and Karen in a minute. But what we've put in here is our new Jupiter wall that you can see up here. We've got our Solid State Lithium batteries here. And we've got the Victron display here. And I'm just going to go to the digital switching. And we've just turned on the driver's door. I hope you can see, everyone can see it coming on. Just a reminder, with our Bluetooth switching, I can turn it on and off from here and look at the display going on and off. And there it is up there, and that's all doing very nicely. And meet Karen and Alan. How are you guys today?
Yeah, very good, thanks.
Good, thanks.
Very
good.
Now, Alan, tell me your story. You said this is the third camper you've had.
Yeah.
What do you like about this?
Well, the access through the rear door just gives us a really nice area off the bed into a place where you can sit, you can talk, you can be out of the elements. And the other side with the way the kitchen's set up is excellent. The usability is great. And yeah, it's just a really livable sort of space without having to tow.
And now, Karen, you were telling me before about your induction cooking and having power.
Yes, that's been a good positive addition to our kitchen setup. You know, it was quick, 10 seconds to boil a kettle. Happy with that. It's all about, getting somewhere and being able to just hop into bed really quickly. It's all just works beautifully.
You've got 400 odd head of cattle roughly, and your Wagyu and Angus,
yeah,
and
Angus
breeding
cows.
in Victoria, and your product goes around the world.
Yeah, we sell out through Greenhams. It's branded under Altair, so it's a F1 high marbling product, and yeah, a lot of people like it.
I think it's great. How good's that?
Yeah.